Good morning and welcome to my open house. My name is Miss Herrera. I'm the AVID coordinator and elective teacher. Start off, let me tell you just a little bit about myself. It's crazy that this year has been what it was this past year. It was sad that I had to leave the year, but I'm looking forward to this new year and meeting some new people and seeing some familiar faces. I've been teaching AVID here at Folks for the last 4 years. Before that, I spent 9 years teaching in the DFW area. I worked for Plano ISD and Garland ISD. I have 2 adopted daughters, Phoebe, who's 10 and in 5th grade, and Bella, who's 17, who is a senior this year. They are biological sisters. Things I like doing in my free time: yard work, reading, and of course, online shopping. AVID is my passion. I'm looking forward to forging new relationships and continuing to foster relationships with my students. I cannot wait to see you on Monday. Here's some important stuff that you can refer to. The 6th and 7th grade syllabus is here, and it just outlines everything that we do in AVID, the things that students are going to be learning this year. Our grading scale, we have summative grades, which is 50%, and then formative grades, which are 50%. And I've listed here some examples of things that I'll be grading this year. A typical week in AVID, we do AVID curriculum Mondays and Wednesdays, tutorials Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then Fun Friday on Friday. A lot of different activities there. My expectations inside the classroom and outside the classroom are pretty much the same. I want you to be prepared, respect everyone, and learn. That's the most important thing. I have a late policy here, a tardy policy, bathroom policy, food policy. And then at the end here, I have your required materials. Since we are starting virtually, we will be doing a digital binder. But once we get back into the classroom, you're going to need your 2-inch binder. And we will talk more about the digital binder and the planner at a later date. The 8th grade syllabus is here as well. 8th grade AVID is a high school credit class. I have also put here the information about receiving credit for that high school credit class. It's right here in this blue, and you can go to that website and see the information. You must have attendance plus your grades in order to earn the credit for the high school credit class. So that is there for you to refer to as well. AVID 1 is pretty much the same. We learn the same things. We have the same curriculum. And my same policies and materials. So everything there is pretty much the same. Our schedule is laid out here. I have the bell schedule for Folks Middle School. Since I teach all 3 grade levels, I went ahead and put them all in there. Some COVID guidelines. I've added here a Folks student playbook and a Folks parent playbook. Each one kind of just lays out what we're doing to keep this environment safe for everyone. You can click on either one of these links to find out more information about the things that we are doing, the routines that we're going to get into once we're back on campus. Stay connected. I've attached here the school's website, the Twitter website for Folks AVID, and the Instagram website for Folks AVID. Here's some virtual expectations. I expect for you to arrive on time for class, silence your microphone, find a calm, quiet spot to work, raise your hand and wait to be called on to talk. Please have your camera on. Pay attention and participate. Be respectful of others, and speak clearly and loud enough to be heard when called on. And then the last thing here I have for you is a parent communication form. If you guys would please fill this out. Has a couple of questions, just so that way I have an area to refer to should I ever need to contact you for anything. And that is pretty much it. I'm looking forward to having you guys, and we'll see you Monday. Thanks.